Welcome to the game. Like and subscribe to stay in the loop with all our content. This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
Knight to c6.
Pawn to d4 is the best move.
Pawn to e5 is the best move.
Pawn to e5 is good. This attacks the knight. Pawn to d5 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight to d5 is good. Knight to g8 is best.
Pawn to c4 is the best move.
Knight to b6 is best. This defends the rook on e8.
Pawn to d5.
Knight captures on e5.
Pawn to c5 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight from file b to c4 is the best move.
Queen to d4.
Pawn to d6.
Bishop captures on c4 is the best move.
Knight captures on c4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d6.
Queen captures on d6 is best. This defends the knight on f5.
Knight to c3 is best. This develops a knight.
Pawn to e6 is excellent. This offers a trade. Pawn to g6 is best.
Bishop to f4.
Pawn to f6 is best.
Knight to f3 is excellent. This offers a trade. This develops a knight. Bishop to b3 is best.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to e2 is the best move.
Pawn captures on c4 is the best move.
Queen captures on d6 is excellent. This is a trade. Knight to f3 is best. This defends a queen on d4.
Bishop captures on d6.
Knight to g6.
Bishop captures on f4 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on f4 is best. This defends a pawn on g12.
Bishop to f5 is best. This develops a bishop.
Queenside castle is best.
King to f7 is best. This defends a pawn on g7.
Knight from file c to e2 is the best move.
Rook from file to d8 is good. This offers a trade. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Pawn to h5 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to g4 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to c8 is good. This defends a pawn on b7. Bishop to d3 is best. This offers a trade.
Knight to e4 is best.
King to e7 is best.
Rook from file h to e1 is good. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. This creates a checkmate threat. Knight to d2 is best. This defends a pawn on f3. This attacks the pawn.
Rook captures on d1 check is best. This is a trade.
Rook captures on d1.
Rook to f8.
Knight to d6 is best. This creates a fork on pawn and bishop.
Pawn to b5 is the best move.
Pawn to a4 is excellent. This offers a trade. Knight captures on c8 check is best. This is a trade. This captures a higher value piece.
Pawn to a6 is the best move.
Pawn captures on b5 is good. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. Pawn to a5 is best.
Pawn captures on b5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on c8 check.
Rook captures on c8 is the best move.
King to c2 is excellent. By moving the king off the back rank, the risk of back rank mate threats is reduced and improve the king's safety. Rook to d5 is best.
Pawn to h6 is excellent. Rook to c6 is best. This defends the pawn on a6.
Pawn to h4.
Pawn to g5 is the best move.
Knight to g6 check is excellent. This defends a pawn on h4. Knight to d5 check is best.
King to f7 is best. This defends a pawn on g7. This attacks the knight. This move gains a tempo.
Pawn to h5 is best. This defends a knight on g6.
Rook to e8 is excellent. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Pawn to f5 is best. This offers a trade.
Rook to d7 check.
King to g8 is good. King to e6 is best. This attacks the rook.
Rook to b7 is excellent. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Knight to e7 check is best.
Rook to e2 check.
King to d1 is excellent. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo. King to c1 is best.
Rook to e8 is the best move.
Pawn to f4 is best. This creates a checkmate threat. The game is over. White wins.